Hey Ma, welcome back to my channel. So we are back with another wig install, and this wig is from Lumiere Hair. This is their loose deep wave wig. I have it in 24 inches and 180% density. This is a 13x4 wig. However, we did this wig install completely glueless and with no baby hairs. You guys know I love doing wig installs that are easy to do with no baby hairs whatsoever. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, just continue to watch. So the one thing that I loved about this packaging is that it comes with hair care tips. So you might want to keep that if you're not exactly too sure how to care for a loose deep wave wig. So this is what that wave pattern looks like. It is super pretty. It has that natural curl to it. This is what the hairline looks like, you guys. This is an HD transparent Swiss lace, and it does come pre-plucked for you, so they definitely gave you a head start. It has the 4 combs, the adjustable straps, and the adjustable elastic band. That way you can have a glueless wig install and a more secure wig install. Okay, so just so you guys know, I did bleach the knots off camera, and I did pluck the lace a little bit more off camera to my liking as well. But the first thing you want to do is adjust that adjustable elastic band to your liking. So whether you need it tighter, looser, whatever, the point of the adjustable elastic bands is that they are catered to fit anybody's head. Okay, so you basically have options when it comes to how tight or how loose you want your wig to fit. So the first thing that I like to do is see how the wig is fitting on me, make sure that the hairline is how I want it, and then I start to cut off all that additional lace that I do not need. So now that all that additional lace is off, I like to see what the hairline is looking like once more, because now it is time to secure the lace down, and you don't want to secure it if you're not 100% happy with it, right? So I am using my even adhesive spray. I'm going to do the center first, and then I'm going to do the sides one by one. So I like to go in with a couple of rounds of the adhesive spray. I wait until it gets tacky, then I lay the lace down. So once the lace is secure, then I go in with the elastic band that was provided by Lumiere Hair. This came inside the bag as well. And I'm going to tighten this as tight as I can. Beauty is pain, you guys. I leave it on for about 10 minutes. And then when I take it off, that's when I go back in with some even melting spray. The melting spray is just a lighter option, and I like to do this as a final step. And it just really makes sure that all the little pieces of lace that may be sticking up or anything like that is really secured down, because obviously you don't want the lace showing as much. And later on we're going to cover it up with some makeup as well. Alright, so I'm just giving you guys a close-up here. This is what the lace is looking like without the makeup. As you guys can see, she is fully secure, and once we add that makeup, it should look completely melted. So I will be using this cream foundation by Ruby Kisses. The one I use will be listed in the description box down below, but I'm going to dab this on any area where the lace is showing. Alright, this is what it is looking like. It looks so much better, right, you guys? This lace is absolutely amazing. So now it is time to style. I'm going in with a classic middle part. Now this is a 13x4, so yes, you have options. You can do half up, half down if you want. You could do a side part, you could do a side swoop part, whichever you prefer. But whenever it comes to loose deep waves, I really just like to keep it simple and just show off that curl pattern. So I'm going to stick with a middle part today. Now I will be going in with my wax stick and my hot comb, because you guys know that is the key to making sure that the top of your wigs is laying as flat as possible, and it's also the key to make sure that your wigs look natural on top of the lace as well. Okay, so both sides are completely flat. I'm absolutely obsessed with this lace. So I'm just giving you guys another close-up right now. It looks so natural. It looks really, really, really good. I love doing wig installs with no baby hairs. If you guys ever see me adding baby hairs, it's because I had to. But for the most part, a wig looks more natural to me without all the extraness, all the baby hairs. So now I am just styling the rest of this hair. Now, when it comes to loose deep wave wigs, I like to keep it simple. They naturally have a curl pattern. So I normally just go in with a little bit of water and a little bit of mousse, let it dry, and it goes right back to its natural state. So that's all that you have to do. So this is how the hair is looking. It's still pretty wet at this point, but obviously towards the end of the video, it'll be 100% dry. Overall, I did enjoy styling this hair. I did not have any issues when it came to tangling or shedding or anything like that. Loose deep waves are a really good option because it's low manipulation hair. So if you guys are looking for a wig that has amazing lace and also a texture that does not require a lot of maintenance, this is the way to go. So comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this wig. Overall, I definitely feel like this is a high quality wig. The lace is amazing and the hair quality is amazing as well. All the information will be listed in the description box down below, so make sure you guys go ahead and check Lumiere Hair out. As always, I appreciate you guys for tuning in, and I will see you guys next time.